What is going on, everybody? We are here in Madison, Alabama. It says Huntsville, but it's Madison. At the little airport. I don't know if this is regional or international. I don't know. It's small. But we are going to pick up some freight. Obviously, because that's what we do, right? Put that in there. I am a freight relocation specialist. So, relocating freight, that's what I do, baby. All right, that's what I do. But we got to get into door 1S over there, the one that's open, and get loaded. This one is going to Lancaster, Pennsylvania. It's only 7,000 pounds, 6,000 pounds, something like that. But let's get over here to the dock.
Well. We are loaded up and trucking. Ha ha ha. No, we are just got loaded, so 7,100 pounds. It's not too bad, right? think I can handle that. We have 802 miles to go. Remaining time is 13 hours and 2 minutes on the GPS. So, got a nice long hike. Oh, we got a red light here. I didn't realize there was a red light. I thought it was just whatever it is, the intersection I was gonna have to pull out. I can't complain about a red light here, even though I could go now, but there's a red light. Backfired on me. Hey, there we go. All right, all right, all right, all right. I love the way the paint looks, like with the sky, like on the hood here. I know y'all are looking at it, and I can't figure out what the heck it's called. The reflection. It's so hard to remember that word. This load pays $3,200 all in. So I get 100 for loading, 100 for unloading, a whole bunch for fuel. I think it's 250 for fuel. Might be 350 for fuel. I'd have to look at my Raycon, but so the so 2,700 is the or 2,750 is the line haul. So the rest is 100% to me, which is really nice. Definitely helps out, because Landstar gets that 35% out of the line haul. So anything that they can put down for 100% to the driver is nice. Wasn't too bad, guys. I had to wait there. Oh, I was waiting before they called me to come get in the dock. About an hour and 10 minutes maybe. Wasn't too bad. And so it's been a total of 2.5 hours. Not the best, but I've been to some places. It's pretty terrible. Get on to 565 up here and get on up to speed. I'm gonna run 72 all the way over to 59, over to 24 to 75, and then run that all the way up to 81. Run that into Pennsylvania, and yeah, hopefully it will be a nice smooth ride. It's kind of what I'm hoping for. I got plenty of fuel, so I don't have to worry about the fuel shortage issue right now. Got a half mile to the on-ramp up here. What a beautiful day it is. What, it's 11 minutes after 7 p.m. here. So this is Wednesday. Beautiful day here in Huntsville. The weather's perfect. Oh, we got a railroad track crossing. Oh, yep, there is a train. Wouldn't you know it? Look at that. Where's the engine? I guess it's pushing this one instead of pulling it. I see that exhaust on that motorcycle. It's like two big cannons right there. Goodness gracious. It's a nice bike. Norfolk Southern. If y'all like railroads and all that stuff, there's a really gritty Western series on Netflix, or was on Netflix. I don't know if it still is. Called Hell on Wheels. It's been out for years now, but man, that is an awesome series. Oh, my door's not shut all the way. Love that old Western style movies and the action. It's really good, really good. So if y'all like that kind of stuff, haven't seen it, go check it out. Come on, Light, let's go. It's boogity, boogity, boogity. What if I can turn my license plate vertical like that? I get in trouble. I don't know. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, wow. Bunch of water right here under the road. And we're off. Off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Oz because of the wonderful things he does. Y'all are very welcome for that. See if we can do all Sammy's 65 to 80 in 5 seconds. I think I can do 80 to 65 in 5 seconds. I don't think the Soul Girl will do that. 65 to 80. Well, we're at 62. Trying to get up to 70. Goodness gracious. 30 pounds of boost. Here we go. Let's go. Oh, and we're at 70. That wasn't too bad. What, 60 to 70 in like 18 seconds? It's not bad at all. Can't complain. Take that, Sammy. See if your truck can do that, huh? This old girl needs some little bit of love as far as the engine rebuild goes. She's definitely due for one really soon. But you know what? I say that. She runs good. She ain't the quickest, but she'll run for a long time. She's still getting over 7 miles a gallon, so I can't complain. I didn't help it with that, getting on it back there, but hey, we're still doing all right. Anywho, I'm going to call the wife, let her know I am trucking again, and I'll catch up with you guys here in a bit.
Well, guys, we are pulling into the old Flying J. Pushing the hours of service rules here, so we're gonna stop. I need to take at least a 30-minute break, but I only have an hour and like 15 minutes left on my clock, something like that. So I don't really want to keep on trucking because it just seems stupid. I don't know if I'm going to be even able to park here because this parking lot is ignorant. All right, look this way, dude, so you can see me. I'm not worried about what you see over there. But I'm hoping that I can find me a spot. Bobtail in that one. What's in this one? Oh, little box truck. Are you getting ready to leave, brother? If you're gonna leave, I'm gonna sneak into that. Bobtail. Holy crap, guys. Holy crap. Come on, what are we doing? I know you're not parked there. Alright, I'm gonna attempt to go around this guy because I don't know if he's waiting on somebody or what, but there's no brake lights on the trailer. And I can't because he's too close. What are we doing here, Jacob? Try to look in the mirror and I can't really see what he's doing. Can you pull up a little bit, please? What are we doing? Is your truck broke? Like, what's going on here? I can see him talking in the mirror. But I can't go anywhere because this guy, the way he's parked. There we go. Pay attention, please. This truck wasn't even on. He's just stopped in the middle of the road. Jeez, the freaking Louise, people. Truck stop problems. Thank you. I don't know why you'd park like that anyways. Dodo. Oh, he's just gonna park like that too, huh? Just gonna wait. Oh my goodness, this place is packed. It's packed. That sun is freaking bright. Sorry guys if that's in the camera. Oh look, reserved, reserved. You must pay us to park in these spots. Freaking stupid. Can't stand paid parking. Why do you need all this paid parking? Oh, that's right, because you need more money. This is why I can't stand trucking. I can't stand it. I was gonna shower because I have a shower from where I got fuel a while ago. But I don't believe I'm gonna be doing that. Simply because I'm not paying for a parking spot. Because y'all got half your damn parking lot and prepaid. I ain't doing it. So I guess what I'm gonna do is let's see if this box truck left yet, or if we're still looking at. Oh, we have a security guard here. You know you have a fucked up truck stop, excuse my language, whenever you have to have armed security walking the parking lot. That's pretty poor, I'd say. But we'll get on down the road, shut her down at a rest area, guys. So, let's go. To the rest area. I reckon that's where we're gonna shut her down, guys, because I'm not playing this stupid truck stop game. I will just shower tomorrow. I am perfectly okay with that. If there's room here. Oh, this is also the weigh station. Okay. Let's see if there's parking in this bad boy. What do y'all say? Holy crap. Oh my goodness, this is so ignorant. I'm not allowed to park there. Well, there's a sign that says no parking, but turn those off. This guy's in his trailer. Damn, all that van equipment. Holy crap. Do not envy you, my good sir. Cute little box truck in there. Are you leaving? What are you doing? Nah. Maybe there's a couple spots up here. I just need one. I'm not trying to be greedy, y'all. I just need one spot. Literally, I need one spot, and that's it. Well, looks like we're not stopping here. All right, we'll get on down the road, guys, and we'll figure this out somewhere else, I guess. A parking spot last night at the Rudders in Inwood, West Virginia. I was on the phone with my wife whenever I wound up getting parked, so didn't record any of that. But I got up this morning and made a bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich for breakfast, which was freaking delicious. And made some coffee, some Java. Man, look at the traffic backed up trying to get over here. Goodness gracious. I'm 0.8 miles away from the ABF services. So cross-dock, ABF cross-dock is where I'm going to. Another beautiful day. It got down to like 49 degrees last night. It was nice. I like it whenever it's nice and cold outside. I don't like it too cold though. When it's too cold, it's just uncomfortable. Then I gotta run my bunk heater, and that's never really sleep real good with that thing going. Kind of wake up and you're a little all stopped up. Just some pretty nasty air that you're breathing in. I mean, that thing is burning some diesel to heat up the air, and never real good, but hey, nonetheless, you get a little sleep, I guess. But it's just nice that you don't have to run anything. But hell, I probably sleep better with the AC on, you know, with the noise, and I've just kind of grown accustomed to it. So you go somewhere, like I don't know about y'all, but you go to a hotel and you try to sleep, you just can't sleep very well. It's just it's almost too quiet. There's not enough going on. Ba 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 ba. Ooh, so we got 0.1 miles. Was it right after this railroad track up here? Looks like. All right. I don't think I've ever been over here before. I've delivered to several cross docks, but I don't believe I've been to this one. That windshield needs to be cleaned, don't it? And away we go. Y'all, I'm excited about this whole freight race that we're doing. Make sure y'all go subscribe to Nomadic Brit, the Great Freight Sage Logic, Trucking California with a Velox 18, Nevada Trucking and Trails, Team Tiny, and there's one more. I can't remember his name. I don't think he's been confirmed. I think it's just something that we're kind of hoping is going to work out. But it'll be in the description below. Make sure y'all go check out their channels. Give them a subscribe, because we're all going to race, see who can gross the most. And then we will, you know, this will go on for a couple weeks, and then eventually we will whatever. I'm going to go around you here, buddy, because clearly I don't know where I'm going. Eventually we will break it down to the total cost and all that stuff, like who nets the most profit here. So that's kind of what we're gonna go for. I'm gonna pull up here past the dock, or past the gate, and then try to get out of the way. I did not realize how crappy this yard was going to be. I'm going to go check in. Wasn't too bad, right? Except for look how close that is. The doors are kind of sitting together there. But he'll say he'll have me done here in just a minute, so that'll be good. Get these bills turned in, get this on this week's paycheck, and we're looking at, for this week alone, from Monday, well, the load I picked up in Texas on Saturday, so this week's paycheck, we're looking at, to the truck, like $9,400 bucks, $9,600. So it's pretty impressive. I'm happy with that. It's been a good week. Granted, I am on recaps now. I stopped yesterday, or the night before last, with 23 minutes or 27 minutes left of my 70. Picked up about 8 hours. Drove that yesterday, and last night I picked up 5 hours. So I only have a couple hours left to drive today, but tonight at midnight I will pick up another 11. And yeah, we're gonna keep on hustling. I'm gonna go pick up my load out of East Point, Maryland, take that on down to the house, go home for the weekend, spend some time with the family, with the kids, go to one of my kids' softball games. I think I'm gonna be able to make one of the soccer games as well for our youngest. And yeah, like, have a good weekend at home. You know, I've been working hard. Might pick up something new for the truck. Y'all stay tuned. We don't know what's gonna happen, but yeah, thank y'all for watching. I appreciate all the love, the support, guys. Please go follow those guys you know, that I mentioned. Follow me on Instagram, nomad.trucker. And I've been saying "and" a lot, haven't I gotta work on that. Anywho, y'all be good out there. I love y'all. Thank you again for all the love and the support, all the kind words. Please hit that like button if you haven't already. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, y'all just be good out there. Love one another. Please love one another. This world needs a whole lot more love. There's enough freight out here for everybody. There's enough everything for everybody, right, guys? Let's show a little love to one another. And y'all keep on keeping on. Keep trucking. Keep doing what you got to do. Keep making that paper, boys. And girls, and girls too. Girls make that paper. My wife's hustling now, trying to make some. She's making shirts, tumblers, stickers, vinyl, all that kind of stuff. She makes all that. So if y'all need anything like that, please go hit up my wife on Instagram at dino_princess_mom. I'm sure it'll be in this area somewhere. And till next time, y'all be good. Stay safe out there. We'll see you.